everyone, my name is King Phojanakong. I'm the chef and owner of Cooke Inn restaurant in New York City. We're on the Lower East Side of Manhattan at 113 Ludlow Street. Anyway, I'm in upstate New York, keeping our social distancing. It's a crazy time right now, but all of us still need to eat and cook if we can, I mean, for me, cooking is the best thing. And this dish I want to show you today is such a simple dish, but it's so tasty. And it's something my mom cooked for us when we were kids, and it's something I cook for my kids now. And I hope as well you guys join us back at Cooke Inn when we reopen after all this madness. But for now, stay home, stay safe, and let me show you how to make baby back spare rib adobo. So all you need really to start off with is soy sauce, vinegar, and garlic. That's it. Adobo, we make adobo mainly from chicken and pork. But you could make it with just pork. You can make a vegetarian style if you want with tofu. You make it with squid. And let me get started. Let me show you how to make this. I have a whole rack of baby back ribs, one full rack. I'm going to cut this into thirds, right? And we're going to go right through. All right, we're going to go right into the pot. I like to use a sturdy, heavy cast iron pot at home. Right here inside with my aromatics, I have the garlic, I have whole black peppercorns, and I have bay leaves. So we're going to go right in there. The ratio I like to use, it's a really simple ratio, something to keep in mind. You could go a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 1 part of soy, 1 part of vinegar. And then I also add some water in there to top it off. Since it's a braise, we want our protein in the pot to be covered in the liquid. I eyeball it, I've been doing this for a while. And I also like my adobo a little bit more sour, so I actually put in maybe 1 part vinegar and like 3/4 parts soy. Apple cider vinegar. See, I'm going a little liberal there with the vinegar. So that's it. These are our ribs. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna add a little more water in here. Go to your stove, bring it up to a boil, and then lower it down to a simmer. Let that go for about 45 minutes, and we're gonna come back and check on it, and I'll tell you what we do next. All right, so we're back. We braised our ribs for 45 minutes, and now I'm gonna grill them. Now, if you're at home, if you don't have a grill, you don't have an outdoor grill, you can fry them up inside. Just take a little oil, you just put it in a saute pan, and you just take the meat out of the braising liquid and then just sear it. We just wanna add color to it. The meat's already cooked, so now we're just adding color to it, and then we're gonna add it back into our braising liquid. Another way too, if you don't wanna pan fry it, you could also just put it in the oven. Put it on a rack in the oven and just broil it. And keep an eye on it, broil it for a few minutes until you get the color you like. Pull it out, add it back in the braising liquid. But today, since I have the grill, we're outdoors, I am going to grill. All right, buddy?
Okay.
So now I just added some oil to the ribs, and I'm gonna throw it on the grill. Okay, get a close-up of those ribs. Yeah. We're gonna take a look at our ribs. We're gonna flip them over.
There's a bug there. There's a bug on the kitchen.
All right, take a look at those ribs.
There's a bug.
So I just grilled them here. It's just a few minutes. I'm gonna take it off the grill in a couple of minutes. Throw it in our braising liquid, which is now the sauce. We're gonna reduce the sauce a little bit, that braising liquid, so it becomes a nice sauce. And we're gonna serve it up in a few minutes. All right, so here we are. We have the adobo. Like I said, the best part of this is the sauce. Beautiful. So everybody, stay safe, stay home, cook a lot of good food, eat a lot of good food. See you everybody soon. Everybody take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.